Hi children, good morning everyone. So this is the class first children, the English subject, right? So we have completed till here. Say these words aloud. Yes, we have completed the drawing of smiley and sad face also for the lesson number 4, that is Bobby and Robbie. So all of you children, please open page number 40. This is the first class children. Yes. I hope you are ready with the pencil, sharpened pencil, and so you are just watch this video and complete your textual exercises of English. Okay children, match the words that go together. Spelling of together children, Together, together. Read them aloud. So you have to read them aloud and then you have to match this. Okay. This is what children? This is paper. What is this? This is cup. And what is this? Yeah, this is a table. Okay. Let us see. Oh, this girl is carrying the pencils. Yes. So, paper and pencils. This one already they have given to you. Okay. So, lock. If lock is there, then what should be there children? Lock and what should be there? Saucer, pencil, chair, key, jam. Obviously key, right? So lock and key, like this. Okay children, cup and saucer, bread and jam. Okay, table and chair, because these are all the pairs where you can see in your home, right? Paper and pencil. Without pencils you can't write on the paper. Without key, lock is not working. Okay, cup and saucer. So whenever you are requiring cup, obviously you require the saucer. Bread and jam. So obviously you love to eat bread and jam, right children? Same. So table and chair. Okay, so sometimes we are keeping on the things on table and we have to sit on the chair. Okay, so table and chair, these are the pairs. Okay children, so I hope you have completed. See, I am saying again children, paper and pencil, lock and key, cup and saucer. What is this children? Saucer. Next, bread and jam, table and chair. That will be the children. You can take a screenshot and you can do also. Okay, now we are going to page number 41. Obviously after 40 page number what will be there? 41. E with children, see, fill, F-I-L-L, fill, I-N-N-T-H-E, the boxes, B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Are you seeing these boxes children? Small boxes are there, yes, with letters. These are letters. A to Z, all the letters are there. Okay, with letters from the clouds. Are we able to see the clouds children? Yes, these are the clouds, and in these clouds few letters are there, right? Yes. Read, R-E-A-D, read the words, W-O-R-D-S. So what they are trying to say is you have to fill the boxes with these words. Okay, how they have given for example as first one, see, L-A-C-E, A-C-E, here R-A-C-E we have to write, and then we have to read the words. So shall we do children? Yes. What is this? A-C-E. I will write here. A-C-E. A-C-E. So shall we read? R-A-C-E. Race. F-A-C-E. Face. Next. A-K-E. A-K-E. We have to fill these letters in this, and then we have to read the words as well. Okay. Let us see. A-K-E, 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 C-A-K-E, cake, right children? B-A-K-E, bake, M-A-K-E, make. So these are the words, right? Okay, after this completing of all, I will tell you the meanings also for this. Okay, A, T, E. So, shall we write, children? Yes. A, T, E. A, T, E. A, T, E. Right? So, G-A-T-E, gate. L-A-T-E, late. D-A-T-E, date. Okay. Now we have to write A-I-L. What is this, children? A-I-L. You have to fill this all in these boxes. Okay. Shall we start? A-I-L. 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 So, T-A-I-L, tail. P-A-I-L, pale. S-A-I-L, sail. Yes. Okay. What is the meaning of lace, children? Obviously, which you are tying the lace. Next one, race. So, you and your friends will be conducting a race with yourself, right? Face. Your face, obviously, your face have eyes, nose, mouth. Okay. Next one, cake. Obviously, you like it, right? Bake. So, cake is prepared after baking only. Bake. Okay. Make. So, you make a face also. What you can make a toy also, right? And you can make a simple painting also. That is called as make. Okay. Gate. Obviously, your houses, all the offices, all the schools, all the houses, they have the gate. Late. Oh, sometimes what happens? Sometimes you are coming late to the school, right? Date. What is the date today? Today is 7th of January. Okay. Tail. Tail in the animals like cats and dogs and elephants, they have what, children? Tail. Pale, which is pale in color, like it is lightish yellow. Okay. Sail. So, the ships are sailing in the sea. So, these all they have the meanings also. Okay, children. Now, fill in the blanks. Fill. This is a F bit, children. Fill. F-I-L-L. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. So, are you seeing this, children? Are you seeing this box? In, to, it, out. Please read again. In, to, it, out. And these words you have to fill in these blanks. Okay, children, are you ready with it? Yes. What is this, children? First one, are you seeing this one? Always they are writing the capital letter. So, even when we are writing this blank also, we have to write the first letter as capital. Okay. Bobby wants to play with Robbie. So, Bobby wants in play, wants to play, wants it play, or wants out play. Bobby wants to play. Okay. T-O, to. Please write down, children. Bobby wants to play with Robbie. What is the spelling for play? What is the spelling for Robbie? All these things you know, na? Wants. Wants means he wants to play with the Bobby, right? Yes. Bobby, B-O-B-B-Y, Bobby brings, B-R-I-N-G-S, brings food. B-R-I-N-G-S, brings food. Food in a bag, where the Bobby has given the food to Robbie, that is in a bag. In a bag. Okay. These are all what, children's prepositions are there. Okay. Next. Dash is a big bag. So, the Bobby has given the food in a bag, right? So, how that bag was? It is a big bag. So, if you see here, IT, it, that is also in capital letter. Yes. So, we have to write here capital letter, capital I, small t. Yes. It. It is a big bag. Okay. Robbie, R-O-B-B-Y, Robbie takes dash an apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, F-R-O-M, from the, T-H, the, B-A-G, bag, from the bag. Okay. So, Robbie takes what, children, from the bag? Are you seeing this? Takes out. See, Takes in an apple? No. Takes in, obviously only one option is left. That is what, children? Out. So you have to write here O-U-T. Okay, children. So you have to write this. Okay. O-U-T. Out. Okay, children. Yes, so this is the lesson for Bobby and Robbie, in which Bobby was very tired, and then Robbie was very hungry, and the Bobby has given the food for the Robbie, and they were helped with each other. Okay, children. So I hope you have done this. Okay, write in a very neat handwriting, and if you are getting any doubt, children, please call us so that we can clarify your doubt. Okay, children. Take care, children. Bye, everyone.